Welcome to unboxing your new JUKI MO-2800 Easy Thread Serger. Let's get started. Please be aware to take all safety precautions when opening any package. Safety glasses are always recommended. A box cutter or razor knife with an 1/8 inch exposed blade is what you will use to cut through the tape on the top of the box. You will want to slice above each one of the 4 staples, slice the ends of the tape at each edge of the box, and then slice down the tape. You are not needing to cut into the cardboard, simply cut the tape. You may set aside your razor cutter or box cutter at this time. You would need a needle nose plier in order to pry or pull out the staples from the cardboard. Please maintain a tight grip on the staples, as releasing them while you're pulling them may cause them to become airborne. Once you've removed all 4 staples, we can now open the box and examine closely what's inside. First thing you'll find is the warranty registration card. It is enclosed in packaging with the owner's or instruction manual. The warranty information card provides you with a web address which to register the warranty for your machine. If you are registering with a mobile device, you may take advantage of the QR code on the registration card. Next is the knee lift. This is something new for our Sergers. You might find this to be rather handy. The next items are 2 parts that we put together to create the thread stand that goes on the back of the Serger. Next, we're going to pull out our foot control and power cord. For our Sergers, the power cord is joined by the connection point to the machine to the foot control. So there's only one piece to keep track of, not a separate power cord and a foot control. This makes it very handy when you're transporting the machine. The next item we'll pull out is the bag of accessories and the catch tray that attaches to the front of the machine. This is a new design for us on our new 2800, and you'll see more about it in other videos. Assist you when air threading does not work for some of the more heavier or specialty threads. Also included are 4 spool caps. These spool caps will be used when you are using a regular spool of thread as opposed to a cone. A pack of needles, just in case you need extras, we do provide some with it. And thread nets. These are very handy to use on cones when those cones are loosely wrapped and they have a tendency to fall off. Also included is a dust cover and a small oil can. Also included is a screwdriver and a threading needle, and an additional foot is included with the MO-2800. You'll find more about the curved foot and sewing curves on the 2800 in other videos. Now let's remove the styrofoam from the top and expose the machine in the lower half of the box. You will want to keep all of your styrofoam and the original box in case you need to ship the machine either for repair purposes or for traveling purposes in the future. Once you remove the styrofoam block, you may now reach in, grab the machine by the handle, and lift it up directly out of the box. Now we've unwrapped our machine and we're going to remove the blue tape. The blue tape is a little difficult to peel off at times, but it does not leave a mark or residue on our plastics. On the rear of our machine is a moisture absorbent pack. Please be sure to remove it and dispose of it properly. Now that you've unboxed your MO-2800, it's time to look at the owner's manual, familiarize yourself with the parts on it, and look to the JUKI Home Sewing YouTube channel for more information on the features and benefits of the new MO-2800 Serger.